Before you wash your hair today, stop, because what I'm about to show you completely changed my hair. I stopped using regular store bottle shampoo and start soaking my shampoo with rosemary, cloves and cinnamon for just 7 days. And what happened next shocked me. My hair become thicker, softer, fuller, darker and starts growing so fast. People literally thought I was wearing extension. So if your hair is breaking, your edges are thinning, your hair is feeling dry, weak, lifeless or refuse to grow, then this video is for you. Today, I will show you my powerful DIY fermentation shampoo hack that transforms my hair natural at home. And trust me, after you try this, you may never want to use regular shampoo the same way again. So make sure you watch this video to the end because I will show you how long to soak it, how to prepare it, and the biggest mistake people made that stopped the results. So guys, if you love natural hair growth remedies that actually work, subscribe right now and join the family, and comment growth below if you are trying this recipe with me. So now let me show you why this shampoo hack is becoming one of my favorite natural hair growth treatments. Our first ingredient is rosemary. I'm using powder rosemary. Please make sure you're using powder rosemary, okay, for better results. You guys already know that rosemary is famous for stimulating the scalp and improving circulation. It helps wake up weak hair follicles, encourage healthy, stronger hair growth. So I just make use of 1 tablespoon of my powder rosemary. Our second ingredient is cloves. I also be using cloves powder, okay? Cloves are amazing for reducing hair shedding and breakage. They also help strengthen weak roots and improve scalp health. So I just make use of 1 tablespoon of my cloves powder. Now the last but not the least of our ingredient is cinnamon. Cinnamon helps cleanse the scalp natural while boosting blood flow to the roots. It also makes the scalp feel fresh and activated. So I'm also using cinnamon powder. Please make sure you prepare your cinnamon powder at home, okay? Just use your cinnamon stick. Use your dry blender to blend it, okay? Don't buy cinnamon powder in the market. They may miss it something, making the cinnamon powder not that 100% active or 100% cinnamon powder. So for you to be 100% sure of your cinnamon powder is to prepare it at home, okay, for better results. Now imagine combine all these 3 powerful ingredients together inside your shampoo for just 7 days. That shampoo becomes deep infused with all the nutrients and oils from the herbs. This is why so many people are seeing softer hair, less shedding, less breakage, fuller edges and faster hair growth. So now let's prepare it together. First thing is to mix the 3 powder ingredients together. Bring a clean jar. Transfer them inside the clean jar. Then the next thing now is add any of your favorite shampoo, okay, inside the jar that contain the powder 3 powerful ingredients. After adding your favorite shampoo, then you add 1 tablespoon of your oil. Use any oil of your choice, okay? Then after that, cover it and shake it very well. But wait, do not use it immediately. This next step is the secret behind the results. You need to leave this to sit for 7 days. Yes, 7 full days. This allows the shampoo to slow absorb all the power nutrients from the herbs. As the day goes by, the shampoo becomes stronger and more infused. So make sure you keep it in a cool, dark place, in your cupboard or in a dark, cool place, okay? Don't keep it in a place that there is sun or in a exposure place. Keep it in a cool, dark place for better infusion. So once in a day, make sure you shake it gently, okay? So after 7 days, you will notice the color become darker. That means the ingredient has properly infused into the shampoo, making the shampoo that super stronger, potent, effective, and the result we are looking for. So now after 7 days, this is what I have so far. I'll bring a bowl and a shifter to strain it out. Yes, you need to strain it out because if you do not strain it out, the particles of those 3 ingredients will stuck on your hair. That's not what you need. So now the nutrients of those powerful ingredients have infused inside the shampoo. So strain it out so that you get very smooth shampoo, okay? So after straining it out, this is the amount of shampoo I got so far. This will have darker, have potent, how creamy this shampoo look. This shampoo is all you need. I kid you not. After trying this recipe, you will never ever use your regular store bottle shampoo the same way again. Okay, this is the best way to use your shampoo and grow your hair like never before. I'm not even capping. So now I'll bring the applicator bottle to transfer it for easy application. Okay, so now let me show you how to use this shampoo, exactly how I use it to grow my hair, thicken up my hair, stop shedding, breakage, and get that thicker, fuller hair. So at first, you need to wet your hair. You know, this is a shampoo. Before you use shampoo on your hair, you need to make sure your hair is fully coated with water. Very, very well. So if you don't know this, know it, okay? It's very important you soak your hair heavily on water before you apply your shampoo, okay? So after soaking my hair, then I apply this shampoo on my hair directly into my scalp. Yes, I focus on my edges, my tiny areas, my crown section. Then I massage my scalp for at least 5 minutes. This step is very, very important. Massaging your scalp is very, very important. Applying this shampoo gently, generously, all over your hair, your tiny areas, your edges, your scalp, okay? And give yourself a very gentle scalp massage. Please do not rush this step. This step is very, very gentle part, okay? So that you can get that good result. Massaging your scalp is very, very important. Please do not skip scalp massage, okay? It helps this ingredient to penetrate properly, and also the massaging your scalp helps to stimulate blood circulation and also allow the ingredient to penetrate properly into your hair. That means to give you that good results. And this is another important secret. Do not wash it out quick. I repeat, do not wash it out quick, okay? Allow the shampoo on your scalp for just extra few minutes, okay, before you rinse it out. Because if you allow the shampoo, this will give the rosemary, cloves, and cinnamon more time to work on your scalp, okay? That means better growth and better result, okay? So if you really want to get the faster result and see how powerful, how potent this shampoo recipe is, don't wash it out immediately. I like to sit on your hair for a few minutes, maybe 5 minutes, 10 minutes, then go ahead and rinse it out, okay, for better results. So as you can see, my hair is super dirty. The first shampoo did not lather a lot, so after leaving it on my hair for 10 to 15 minutes, I go ahead and rinse it out and apply the second method again. So this second method, I leave it up to 20 minutes before I rinse it out and continue order of my wash day routine. So guys, after I've been consistent using this treatment, I start noticing less shedding, softer hair, fuller edges, less dryness, and faster growth. My hair become easy to manage and looking healthier over time. And honestly, the thickness definitely shocked me. I'm not even capping, guys. So when you are consistent using this, you also notice the same results. There is no joke. Consistent is the key, okay? And you will never ever regret using this, okay? So one thing I love about this remedy is that it feels like a scalp treatment and also a shampoo at the same time. This gives you a two reasonable benefits: scalp treatment and also a shampoo. So this is what you need to promote faster hair growth and also to see visible results on your products. Now let me give you some important tips. Number one, if you have a sensitive scalp, do a patch test first because cinnamon can feel warming on the scalp. Tip number two, you do not need to keep this in the refrigerator because the shampoo already contains preservative, okay? So tip number three, consistent is everything. Natural remedy works best when you stay consistent, okay? So if you try this powerful rosemary, cloves, and cinnamon shampoo hack, come back and tell me your results in the comment section below. I love to hear your transformation. So if you enjoyed this video, please do where to like, subscribe, and share, okay, to your family and friends so that it will help someone out there that struggle with hair growth or hair breakage. Because trust me, this recipe is too good to keep secret. Thank you so much for watching up to this point. I love you guys so much, but God love you more. See you guys on my next video. Remain blessed out there. Bye.